Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw a random girl just by imagination. So I will draw a circle first. Then I will add in the lines indicating eyes, nose and lips. I always use this method to draw faces. If you want to draw faces easily, then you will have to practice every day, just like I did. I really like painting since I was a child, so I used to practice drawing every day. The last pages of my notebooks were always full of drawings. Now I am marking up the area where I will be drawing eyes. I am drawing randomly. Whatever is coming into my mind, I'm just letting it slide onto this paper. There is no need to be accurate at this stage because later we will correct all this. I'm just drawing the simple shape of an eye and eyebrow, just like this on the other side. Same thing goes for the nose and lips also. I'm just randomly drawing nose and lips. I want to keep this drawing really simple with these simple expressions. Now it's time to draw hair. I'm just randomly drawing hair. At this stage, you can make any changes in drawing if you like, just like I did with the face shape. I didn't like the shape, so I just changed it a little bit. So our rough idea is done. At this stage, we will just erase all these lines. I will erase everything lightly because I am going to add details to this. I can still clearly see all these features. I will add in the details on top of this. Now let's start with the eyes. I always start my drawings with the eyes first because I think eyes are the most important part of our face. If you get them really right, the whole face, whole drawing will look really great. That's why I want to pay more attention to eyes. Here I'm adding details on the shape of eye I did earlier. I'm adding eyelashes to make her look beautiful and lower lashes too. If you like my drawing methods, then please like this video, and if you want to see more of my videos, then please subscribe to my channel. You can see that just following all these lines, because of the rough sketch we made earlier, adding in details is so much easier now. I'm drawing her hair. I'm just drawing her hair randomly, and you can see that a bit of messy person. I think she will look cute in open hair. A little bit of waves to make her look cute. Just the neck, and our drawing is complete now. If you want me to create more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section. Now, this is complete. I think she's looking really nice. Thank you for watching.